The boys be like off a bridge. If I'm getting that battle pass, yeah, I'll be jumping. Look at that car go, bro. Look, if we're getting that battle pass, I'm going boom off that bridge, bro. Boom, boom. If you guys liked, make sure you're a truck subscriber, and if you have that truck, we will give you a hug. Look at that back though, bro. Look at that back. It's pretty good back. Look at those tires. We can't even see them, but it has striped out tires. Young, look tires. Tires. Yeah. Look at that controller though. Wait, can you? Yeah, RSG Beast controller, Mr. Beast. JK, we're not. Oh my God, you did. Look. Yes, I'm looking. Oh my God, he's amazing. Oh no, he's dead. Oh my God. Wait, drive it into the bathroom. Oh my God, he's coming. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. He's back. Hi, little doggy. Come here. Come here, little doggy. Oh, I guess not. Hi. Hi, little doggy. Yes. Yes, doggy. Yes, don't bite my fingers. What? What? Guys, bye. Subscribe if you're listening and watching. And leave a like on this video if you really enjoyed. Have a nice day.